Today I'm gonna be making a Brazilian chocolate popcorn, which we call in Brazil Pipoca chocolate. But first, let's go for the ingredients. And the ingredients are half cup of popcorn corn, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. The first thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna get a medium pot. We're gonna be adding the oil, all the ingredients, the corn, you can turn medium, the sugar, cocoa powder. Now we're gonna be mixing this until it starts to pop. Oh, now that you see it's starting to pop, we're gonna close, turn it to low, and shake it from time to time. And we'll be back. Popcorn is ready. You're gonna pour on a bowl. Now the best part, let's try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!